Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can log into Gusto Payroll account. If you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's get started. Open up any web browser on your PC. On your search bar, type in gusto.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you will be directed to its official website. Now from here, tap on sign in button on the top right corner of the page. As soon as you do that, you will be taken to its login page. Now in here, type in your email address and password of your account. Make sure you have typed your password correctly. If you want to double check your password, then tap on show button and check your password. We can log into Gusto account through Google account, Zero account and Intuit account. Now after entering all the details correctly, tap on sign in to get logged into your account. I hope this video helped you to get logged into your account. If it did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos. Keep watching.